Goat liver.
And the liver this, that's chickly the goat this. Because we don't make no manish water now. When you make manish water, that is time you're going to hear it. Then time they are going to say we wiggle and dance. No vegetable.
No ital stew
no
today.
No ital stew, just chickly
good old man.
I said take out the camera off of the pot until the pot is ready. So the fire is going to blaze out. So the pot is going to be nice when it's done.
Yes, you know, want to tell adventure team outside today. Yeah, guys. There with Dodo.
One Dodo a Dodo. One straight.
Him the chef today, you know?
Yeah, man, curry goat style.
Tell the people what you're planning to give today.
Curry goat. Straight curry goat.
Yeah?
No vegetable.
A little white rice.
No vegetable to the Rasta.
No vegetable pan it.
Alright then. So stay tuned.
Normal thing we are mash up.
See him go and gather in fire with them there. As him call it.
I feel the curry goat are nice, bro. Like to have a thick taste there. Nice yellow curry goat.
So you ever see a Rasta cook goat yet?
No, I never see a Rasta cook goat. I never go spearfishing though.
I don't know my goat.
No, spearfishing.
Well, here's our first serve thing. So stay tuned, peeps, yeah?
Yeah, man, the Rasta so I cook the best goat people. So today, I go see if I really have the best goat. I have to stick to vegetable.
I know we have the best.
I'll put him to your test. I'll put him to your test, peeps. So stay tuned. Go and watch, like, comment, subscribe, share everything, you know?
Different fire we are line up again, that's what you know.
So the fire are for?
It's a fire for goat.
Okay.
Good old goat.
Good old rammy goat.
Yeah, I feel the goat are bad in the Rasta.
After bad.
You know what I mean?
From you will do it.
Not even if I know me. It's after bad.
After bad.
After bad.
You know what I mean? Curry goat and white rice, not today, I win.
Wednesday.
Tuesday or Wednesday? Wednesday, yeah.
Wednesday morning.
One thing. Chop this to me. Yes, sir. Catch you, me
Yeah,
can't hold it in.
too?
Yeah, me can't hold it right here, so watch you play.
Yeah, man. I bust them up here, man. Bust them up here and you go and clean up your goat there.
Alright, that me I go do ya now.
Yeah, man, you set up the fire.
Wash out, but me like the fire when I'm not ready.
No, man, me light it, man.
Alright,
Just
do
clean
nothing.
up your goat and do your do, man.
Alright, wash out, but get me and clean up.
Alright, peeps. So Martha are going to chop up a fire with them.
Yeah, guys, I know.
Rasta go wash him on and get the ball rolling.
Yeah.
Clean up and season up in goat.
Clean up.
Yeah, I feel the goat are bad.
Alright, one of two things can come in. Either a epic fail or
yes.
a edible meal.
So, the Rasta have to stick to vegetable.
No, me nah go dish him dirt yet, you know?
That go on good, man.
Innocent until proven guilty, them say. So
We have faith tonight. Faith tonight, good.
innocent till proven guilty, don't Rasta?
What me not saying?
So you're guilty. Yes, Rasta.
Guilty if you cook him.
Guilty.
You're guilty.
You have to cook him, because when you not tell me, say we have to deal with it, so you have to deal with it.
Alright then.
Alright, see that big man? I get some water now.
Yeah,
I'm
show
going
them how
outside.
the goat clean up.
And get a little vinegar and show up on him too.
Yeah, guys, you see this? Yeah, man. Get the fire side ready to put on Rasta goat. Yeah. Curry goat and white rice, you say today. Me think of vegetable, you know. Curry goat.
Not a vegetable
Rasta say give him the man.
Man.
It's a man, Rasta. Yeah, peeps. So Rasta go and clean up the mutton and chop it up, as you can see. So just go and stay tuned. Next time you see it again, you might rub on some seasoning on it, you know?
See it there, up and running.
Everything small up in a bite size.
See it there, clean them up, wash them off you know. See it, people? Real ram goat. See it?
That is it.
That is it. And a little rice so we are going to smash up. You just watch it. Watch it.
See it
Watch
here.
it.
Season them
Organic
I'm going
food.
to put on it next.
A straight one do one do I do it today. Rest of the day, I'm going to tell them. So I do I run things today.
That
Big
is
up,
it.
Big it up. Big it
Yeah,
up.
man,
Every
big
time.
up.
I script ties. How can I knife this?
Sharp, man. It good, man.
Eh? How do you feel so?
Probably want to sharpen.
Dull.
So where you going with that now?
I cut up my line up to get up some seasoning.
Okay.
See it? Clean them up.
That is it. And no cleansiness next though?
Yeah, godliness.
Alright.
We don't deal with nothing unless it clean up.
That is it.
Nothing nasty Rasta no deal with. We not mixing a bang around.
Cleansiness and
Cleanliness
liberty.
is godliness. Yeah, liberty. Straight liberty.
God we trust.
Yeah. See people, scallion. And make sure you clean them up. Not cure them liquor, them have to work. Have to work. And Melissa give it them like this, so we have to take it.
Melissa shrivel them up.
Yeah.
Yeah, Fiddler can't wait to dive in though.
Oh God, man.
Yeah, man.
One thing I look forward still now, the initial sizzling sound
Yes,
one hear first. You see when you hear that first sizzling sound there?
Yeah.
If you don't get that scent there from the get-go, you know, you know that it's feeling.
Yeah, yeah, you are going to make it feel. You don't know what you're talking about.
So, the initial sizzle there going to make we know where him there, no?
Good old better pack curry that Rasta. Please quiet, so we're going.
No too no music now.
Rasta in a mood, you know? He's in that mood.
Yeah, that's easy then.
Where you going with this, Rasta?
Well, this is the all purpose.
Okay.
Don't put in and some black pepper, you know, the lime.
I don't think they're under black pepper still.
You see there, it mix. Don't worry yourself. You now put the right pepper and put the green one. The green one can go in the rice. The
Alright.
right one took up in this. I want to bring out of the house. I want to post it mad.
Yeah. Country pepper that Rasta.
Yeah, catchy.
Scotchy. Wow.
Right thing that, man.
Smell it. Try to say the Rasta.
Yeah, alright thing this.
Strong.
Smell it.
Sneeze.
Ready.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, alright thing that, man. You have all the right season in them, you know. This must come out well.
You know.
I tell you.
Yeah.
You know where we want to come out?
Oh, the Rasta. You know where you want to come out.
Have to come out. See? Rub him in.
Yeah.
Like the fire, you know? You mean? Yeah, a Dutch pot with black already.
Alright.
Yeah, instead of go burn down this, you see me? You that one that I use this man.
Yeah.
Rather in the season.
A little more. One number.
Still white.
Yeah.
And go for the yellow.
Yeah.
But we look like
Rich in color.
rich in a color.
I'm gonna tell you, I laugh off if you give no white goat, you know.
You think I would do give white chicken?
The chicken did white?
You fall it here. Well, no, just take it out, you know. Pull it out. Yo, what is some man to blouse and skirt? You know why you then man say? Man say, you sure? Yeah, next one. Pull it out, man. It go alright. So when you pull it out, that man say, that will be butter, no melt iron. You say butter, just turn up on the chicken here, so that's all looks. I say, see me, you just ready, sir. Yo! I tell you. Butter just sit down up on it, general.
Jano. Are that go on?
No, the butter.
I know the better not see my way. I look how the butter say. I soft this thing in the chaff and the chicken.
I can't
And
melt.
it can't melt a blow.
Something wrong.
Something wrong. Yes, quickly. Something, the fire not right, man. But I drown the fire. Choke the fire, so that's why if he first one look, you shouldn't make 2 times. 1 time the fire should have roll. So you look about it work out good, Silka.
That's why I name experiment, you know.
That's right, yeah.
Adventure.
Adventure, experimental.
Yeah.
Alright, my brother, don't worry yourself.
Nothing trying, nothing done.
Good old goat, guys.
Yeah, Rasta. Looking good.
Garlic, everybody.
See it, people? You take off a little white part off of the garlic. You see, no woman just cut up garlic in the kitchen so and make the damn thing. And so garlic go. You have to take
Tease them right.
You have to take off a little part here.
They look a white skin there.
Look a white skin and the garlic nice.
True, man. Teach them right thing.
No for them just go to wash and then and
crush it.
And crush it. You can't not say they say the strongest part in the little trash part. But we don't want no trash.
Alright, I'll give you a fun fact now. Did you know say the garlic skin them use make garlic powder?
Yeah.
And the actual garlic.
And the actual garlic.
Yeah.
One of them.
But regardless, this is the right way.
This is the
Peel
right
the
way.
garlic.
Peel off the garlic. That's what I say, the natural garlic. Right way, I like the garlic now, great IT night. You know,
Yeah,
so
man.
thing, you know, say nothing. Everything just lasts half in the pot. But watch what me I do, people. I don't know cut them big, but that's only like a fine dice in it like this.
That is it.
So when everything season up in the meat, it well blend in. See?
Well diced and sliced. Tricks and trades. Alright, peeps, so stay tuned. Next time you see this again.
Up
What
and
you
run.
go do? In the pot.
Up and run in the pot.
Alright. So stay tuned, peeps.
You see it, General?
Oh gosh, man.
Oh,
Good,
look.
man, go on. Look good, man. Looking good. Smelling
I don't
even
know,
better.
I don't know whole heap, you know, but you can't master what we are doing it. Because I don't know crowd we are cook for. I just start the thing, just build it up from yourself till you get in line.
Yeah, I can share amongst the peers.
Yeah, share
A
amongst
man
the
still
peers.
can come get a,
Ah,
you know,
yes,
if
yeah.
I even a spoonful.
Same way. Or a rice full, anyway you are.
There you go. Big up Martel Adventure
Bless up,
TV.
Wake up after this thing.
Martel Adventure TV never started. So they are active.
You know, alright, hold on, I'll find the cover for you.
Let me just cover this, make it go and journey tonight, you know, in the meantime.
Little brunch for you, know?
Ah, George, I never see him.
Oh, you add something more to it.
What's my onion, man? The good old onion. I active up already, you know.
Yes, the fire ready now?
The fire is active, you know.
Oh gosh, man.
See it come up there.
Real
Wow.
fire.
I know what you say, man, Rasta.
I need a fireman, you know, man. A bush me live in, you know, man. Fire off a blaze.
Fire is burning in your system.
Alright, you fat start rocker. That means that time for you soon go up on the fire. Yeah. Alright, then one line up to that.
Go on, stay tuned, peeps. See fire ready? Pot soon gone on.
Oh, curry goat.
Yeah, that me just ready to tell you now, I hope the goat come out as good as the fire.
Rasta, you might have so much doubt in here cook goat, so. I don't think I call alone.
Oh, him?
Eh.
I don't cook kalalo.
Strictly goat.
Steam kalalo, man.
Oh,
Alright.
yeah,
Kalalo
tell him the right
can't
thing.
cook.
Yeah, steam.
Steam it.
Yeah. You know, a bag of nice is out there. Ketchup pot there. Look how it
Yo,
steam up.
can me think come with me about the me something. Drink some eye.
Oh.
Alright. That boy and get that. Don't worry about little island drink. I can't kill me. Good oil.
You say drink some of the oil?
Drink some of coconut oil. And I like the skipper now with it. Think I rub it up all over my mouth. You see it? See how my mouth shine? I'll do it.
So
wrong with
come on
that.
this, you know.
I real Rasta this. Watch it.
Why you burn off your mouth, yeah?
But me no catch it and show the people themselves. Mouth is burning, man. There's no wrong with that. Yeah, when you keep the fire, breathe on the mouth.
I rain this up on my peeps. Yeah, my peeps. Rain a drew down on me.
You take in who there in yourself.
But we still make this
Yeah.
vlog phone,
Make
you
sure
know?
that we-
'Cause we have to keep on entertaining, you know. Fans them ask for from a week, nothing new. So rain or shine, we'll make sure we get it done, Matt.
Yeah, man, the adventure is here.
Yeah, man.
Rasta in our kitchen. No, we call it. Oh, you cut him.
No, man, it's still running.
Alright, Rasta then.
I say I burn some of my curry now, Rasta.
No sizzle. This is a boil sugar.
Curry not even a burn, it just a float.
The suit I burn. You know where boy float. Yeah. You think I see with it? Alright, come up that little look a bit. The curry go and get a little burning line.
Alright, then
Where
peeps.
you
I'll check in back in about 10 minutes, car boy. Oh, see curry take time to burn, eh?
Yeah, you never know if it's a burn.
Rasta, what do you Rasta?
I don't know. You must believe said that. Yeah, just on
Piece of garlic.
garlic again. Very nice, very nice for me to make it. We have to people press it like this. And me off. You hear it?
First, look a sizzling sound that
First,
deep.
the sizzling sound in man. That fire can put the fuck up the no one and it so good boy. That one fire do everything you say, you know. You know that the fire there again, man. Because that take too long. You say if you don't say ready. I saw we don't say ready. You see it? I'm getting hot, boy.
Oh, peeps. Here, look a sizzling sound there.
Tiger, say why Tiger now listen to action.
Tiger, how it look?
You look perfect, man. Summer my style, you know, brown and nice.
Smell it fiddly?
Not yet. It's a late bloomer.
Yo, take out the camera off my pot now. Get the pot ready. I said take out the camera off of the pot until the pot is ready. The fire is going to blaze out. So the pot is going to be nice when it's done. So
Alright.
don't keep tight and so you love it.
Alright, so let's cut the camera.
Yes.
Alright, you peeps. So we'll soon check in back.
Yeah,
Rasta
right.
say cut the camera.
Right. Now, but you want to
Give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
That is
Hit
it.
the notification bell.
Yeah.
Alright, peeps.
See it, babe? Where do?
Alright,
Come. Make a see.
show them what I got.
Make a see. What me not see camera? Yeah. Me have to see what I want. Because a while ago, I seen taking off my pad cover. So am I showing me going on now?
Yeah,
See,
we're not trouble your pot.
just put it in. Everything going to smooth down. No worry on yourself.
Okay.
See it?
So what the purpose of the butter?
The butter mile up the pot and make the pot very nice, boy. What do you? You never know butter nice. Butter
Okay.
sweet. All for your lip.
Rub butter pan post mouth.
Yeah, that thing they nice, you know. You know, in general. We have to nice up the thing, you know, and more vibes and love and unity.
That
Big up
is it.
yourself.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
And subscribe. Okay.
Alright.
Watch every time you step there, say you have to
Oh
brush
God, man, you say it a bubble?
Talk about if it can bubble and now, seek no trouble.
See how butter melt, Rasta.
You see
See
it?
how butter
So
melt.
butter melt, eh? And I like it chicken you put on you say, you know, see me butter? You know, some making by my hot beer.
For the what, 2
Oh, you mean?
Okay.
You can put coconut water in it, man.
Yeah, when we're done. Pull this again. We want more of that. Oh, it looks sweet, eh? Crisp dry. Yeah.
Good.
See it? See it, paper? Right, this is my big spoon. Mama big spoon. When I say misbehave in my kitchen and us cooking out for it. Yeah. Now taste the gravy. Watch this. I ain't not reach nowhere yet. Blum buckler, this bad already. Taste it. Hold your hand, man. You, taste it.
Yeah.
Right, we not reach nowhere yet.
How it taste, Ninja? You're a ninja.
Nice,
Come.
man. How it is?
Hold it, taste now. Hold your
Active,
hand,
nice,
now.
bro.
And you just taste that alone already.
Don't tell no lie for me, no,
You
man.
know me no depend on
I
that.
tell it. But alright. Alright, man.
Yeah, peeps.
Alright.
Stay tuned.
Yes, June. Up and running. Alright. Yo, one more little water we take in the season here, so. Quick and fast. Quick and fast.
Give him some water.
Give
It's
me
a
a
come
cup of
on.
water there.
1 cup of water.
You
Come
know,
in.
you never bought a coconut or anything for that yet.
No, that I last.
Oh,
We
we are
not-
reseasoning
Yeah.
with a purpose and everything.
No, man, me no more season now going now.
Yeah?
No,
Yes, I eat that.
I hit that.
You sure?
Yeah, man, this me a train everybody go and simmer down in him.
Listen, now re-season
We
pot.
not re-season pot, it's part one season already, bro.
You hear that, peeps?
I done season pot already, bro. So I can season it again. They don't do the salt. And not to be in a salt pot. I need natural curry pot.
Alright. No problem. No problem.
See there now?
dudes.
Look a seasoning. And Rasta deal with it. Mix it on my thing first. Wash out everything.
So Rasta,
All of my little curry and thing then come out of my little creases of corn and seasoning. And just drop him back in my thing. See him there? Gone again to see, brother.
so Rasta, when I go right as stupid.
But any day one night I to cook, I can cook it. Any day. See you know, watch your finger molly fast cover with it now. My hand in there, see there? Hot in there, watch it. Done. Lock off. Fire ready.
Fire burning.
Rasta, you saw them smoke that girl. Flavor, I think, today.
Then the wood fire flavor food.
Yeah.
That
No.
is it.
Yesterday me cook. We cook a pot of white rice over here and some stew chicken on the wood fire. Me am going to cherry. What bad, sir?
Yeah.
For this long time, I don't use wood fire.
Yeah.
Let me tell you that.
Look.
Me spoon.
Oh, peeps. So I go on.
See steamer come out of the pot? Yeah, man. Good to go on, man. Things are going. You make it nice. You don't get a hot beer. Yeah?
I said the hot beer are going out.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
yeah, the coconut, everything, the coconut,
Alright, no worry. We are rum, yeah?
yeah.
Took one cark full of rum tonight.
You're not giving a coconut tonight?
No, sir.
Yeah, no.
Alright then. Anything you say.
Yeah, I cook today, you know?
One dodo I run the chef, the pot today, huh?
Have a little wood. Why?
That not look good enough.
A fire me a blow, no me not blow nothing else, you know? Fire.
Alright then.
Straight fire me a blow. You think me a police and me a blow that bag? Me a them Babylon and me a blow that, you know, blow that this. Me not that, me not, they can't tell Rasta if you come blow that nothing, a fire we blow. Nothing else. Yeah.
Judgment yard upon them.
Judgment yard with it. Rasta yard.
But
But
One.
this can't cook up a judgment yard though. Yeah?
This,
Rasta.
we cook this in the judgment yard and burn him out. I want to take a
Rasta.
goat is good for you.
Rasta,
Yeah.
enough. Rasta go burn out, it's a good packet.
Yeah, yeah. Tell the Rasta them before I say I burn out Rasta. Say meat is good for you.
Yeah,
As long as you know you eat the devil, that is the pork.
yeah.
But from
Okay.
chicken, fish, and mutton is good for you.
Anything with splitted hoofs.
Yeah, it's
But
good
Rasta,
for
one
you.
idea, I burn some money short of pot.
And we are said that nice.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, the manish water. I love that, brother. Yeah.
Alright, one idea then
One
we'll
idea
make
we
you
have
bun
to-
that for the people.
We have string up a goat over here.
Yeah.
But we know say we have everything and we clean out, anything and we do what we do. Sit down and we easily say. Don't worry on yourself.
So
man.
look out for that one, peeps.
So look out
One
for that.
dodo I run it.
Yeah, things so sort out the right and proper way, brother, and we gotta make it large.
That is it.
That is it.
Tiger, I think about the goat.
Yo, the goat are nice today, you know.
Yeah.
Look at, I don't want enough rice in it, you know, me have enough rice in
the
it.
rice cooker in there.
Yeah, so the rice are nice today. Curry goat, you know, vibes got already.
Alright.
Hold it on your wings.
Marty, I wait for the goat.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Rasta
me.
is score, you know.
Yeah,
See
me.
if a vegetable if you cook,
You're
you
mad.
can go and cook meat.
Rasta now.
Rasta one.
I don't.
You have nervous or
No.
you?
Nervous? I'm very conscious, brother. If it's vegetable where I look about that day, I just greens and pop chow.
So Rasta, where? You rather vegetable more than meat?
No,
You're mad.
I rather the meat more than the
The
vegetable.
man.
Because the meat have more vitamin in it.
Yes, I vitamin it up.
Yeah,
Oh.
and more strength.
Tell them
The
what you
veg-
like
the
exactly
vegetable
now,
now
and the
again.
man.
Alright, let me tell you something now. If you don't be a vegetable, vital, you're weak.
I true, man.
You don't have no strength.
I true, man. I feel
Look on the Rasta where they say they might be a meat, damn, be a vegetable.
Iron alone, them body.
And then I eat no salt. They're weak, they must look how they look. Cranky.
Look on you.
Look at me.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm a 60-year-old.
yeah.
would you believe it?
Would you believe it?
Fresh.
Fresh same way. I may live up anything.
Yeah.
Name me the woman, them live up same way. We have to have them same way and wine them like what I'm telling about.
Alright, peeps, stay tuned.
You put a couple down, brother. Yes. What is coming?
Hey, it's a draw down.
Give me a spoon. You know what, bro.
I say, you want the beer for good night now or water? Test the tenderness.
You know how to piece of it, test it. Put it down, put it on, make it warm the water.
Yeah.
Hold the spoon.
I can't throw it on my hand, man.
No, man. You hold the spoon first, big man.
No,
Right
I know my hand.
Alright.
Yeah, peeps, so I'll test it. Make you know how I go on.
Yo, full of cup there.
Test the tenderness.
See cup on top of my one there.
It's not look tender still, but I reckon know.
Yeah. See it now, General. I'll peel up my Irish now. Never did before. Beat
Yes,
it
sir. Yes, sir. This I go drop in now.
Yeah.
That is it. So how the pasta go on so far?
They not going on, brother. Coming on properly.
Yeah?
Yeah. Cause it's gonna simmer down.
Alright. So the next what? 10, 20 minutes?
No, we not been in no minutes.
Half hour?
My thing have to cook properly.
Alright, so no time frame on it.
You know, we don't work with time frame, Pampa.
Alright, then anytime ready.
When it ready?
When it ready.
Yeah. We deal with proper cooking.
Alright.
You just put it on pot on fire and say, boy, 10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes take it.
10 minutes you get it. A power food you get for it. We don't have power food for it.
Yes, make waste.
Yes, make waste. We want natural, clean food. We properly cook. Properly cook. And we nice.
That is it.
That is it.
So you have carrot to go with that too, or just piece of Irish I drop in?
That's the Irish, brother.
All
We
right,
don't use
then.
a carrot today.
Alright, no problem.
Irish nice in a curry goat. See people? You always have more water already nice. So chew off,
Ready to go.
ready to dice up.
Peeps, tiger they all a drop asleep too. I'm gonna wait for this and go there.
Sweet dreams, man. Big up, you know?
I'll wake you up in the pot done, man. Don't worry yourself.
Alright.
Okay. Yes, sir. Ready for put it in the pot? Alright, peeps. What? Every time I want this, I'm nearly dropping.
Give me this towel.
Wow. Whoa, pot bubbling. Yeah, peeps. Irish gone in. Just wait for this to come together, you know. You know, like I smell I smell the flavors. It's coming together. Yeah?
See it, people? Look. You see it? Curry goat. Well, I not see camera on my face. Me have this camera in my face when I talk to iPad. See it, people? Just showing the carrot.
Irish.
Not Irish. So subscribe and tell you when it nice. Cause this are curry goat at today, Wednesday. Man, I gonna lick them finger and say, Dodo, I never know say you're so bad.
That is it.
Pot is bubbling, I go right there a while ago and come to me knows I want to eat the goat. No.
I say tempted for shell long this.
Tempted to me alone to eat off the whole of the goat. Right away. You ain't here, man.
I say, man, take care of eat either.
Yeah, I say Rasta go and wait for know if we have put him back on a vegetable train.
Yeah,
No,
or making continue
yeah,
on the meat
continue
train.
on the meat train.
See how my boss there, so I wait, see him here, drop all asleep, but I wake him up when the pot ready.
You hear the bubbling, Shamar? That means the goat are cooked down, you know.
You hear that, peeps?
You hear that? So when the goat cooked down, you know, what now go do with it? When the little piece of goat cooked down, where you go do?
Well, if you do not one thing left for do, man.
Eat him.
Oh,
Okay, watch your pot now, I'm gonna open it.
alright.
Wow. See that?
Wow.
Ram goat.
Ram goat liver.
And the liver this, that's chickly the goat this. So we don't make no manish water now. When you make manish water, that is time you're gonna hear it. Then Tanya I go say we wiggle and dance.
So stay tuned, peeps.
Stay tuned.
Goat soon land.
Yeah. Just smell him. Coming in action. Yeah man, look here.
Oh, go on, Rasta.
Goat ready. Sit there.
I say, ready?
Sit the boss here.
So what the plan now?
Rice pot.
Take your time, take your time.
Give me rice pot in the general. We'll get some thing there.
Alright.
I
Think
don't
up
know.
this here left for rice, you know. Yeah. I pot him up for, yeah.
Ridley, come in. There's some water in this cement. That's good, guys. See people? I the pop bottom.
Alright, so what is for? You have to explain it to me.
This is it don't burn up. Easy for wash off.
Okay.
No black. So the oil just keep the pot miley. It have a little black still when it done, but as the goes and rub off, it come out back with the oil.
Okay, makes sense.
Makes sense.
That's a life hack, people. So all who do outdoor cooking, just highly pot bottom.
Just get water and enough to wash it. You know, cook rice in a cold water.
They say hot the water first.
The pot has it hot. But just, you can go and watch my waiting there. Salt. Drop a little salt on the pot first. The pepper did wash already. Wash it again.
Alright.
Just now the pot. Don't drop. Alright. Drop it to a scallion now.
Season rice butter, I know.
That's what I'm doing now, big boss. Get the pot.
Yes, I should my season rice pack better than the goat.
Yeah, so it would seem.
Now the goat seasoned up a long time, so we don't have to need no more season for the goat.
I'm use more scallion
No.
rice than the goat.
No, sir? So you believe? That's what you believe, right? No. Look, people, see that? Nothing dirty with all this. Everything is clean. Natural, see that? Natural. So we deal with it. See that?
Look a piece of rosemary.
This is rosemary. Although the rainfall this morning and yesterday, we don't deal with nothing unclean enough.
Insect one.
Yeah, insect we just clean them off, see how you. Drop in that pot.
Well seasoned.
Watch me now, drink people. See there? This is the cover. Let the water get hot.
To be honest, I think the rice gonna have more flavor than the goat.
To be honest, the goat have more flavor than the rice. To be honest, the goat are gonna have more flavor than the rice. So people are gonna wiggle and nice.
Alright. We'll see. Stay tuned, my peeps.
Yeah. Okay. No problem with that. I wash it now. So you can't catch me, I wash it. Okay, bro? See, people? We gotta cook 2 pounds of rice. And we gotta wash it now.
2 pounds of good old white rice.
2 good old pound of white rice we have. And a long grain one, a little short up one, but then boil them up as well. See it? Now look. I want to do I wash it, see how we know. See there? You do control the kitchen today. Outside kitchen. Outside kitchen we're running today. And it have a nice car. Man, I gonna like it.
Yes, man, I lick them finger.
And the goat done already. See if you gonna catch some more water, 3 wash more wash rice.
Alright, stay tuned.
Alright, people. So the 3rd wash, Rasta deal it. Strain off water now, right on the side there. Watch me now, people. Me and me will take in and put the rice in, I think. Just throwing rice in a pot so you know I sweat. I've used your hand to make your rice sweat. See it? 1. See, people? I say deal with rice in a pot. There you go. Take out the little thing. Strain off the little. Next little water. You know, I'm throwing the rice water when you wash the rice in. You don't wash the rice already, so you want to have it drain off completely the time. So
That is it.
that's it. So I cook the rice. You end up people. See the people? Or dodo, straight dodo. Rice we are dealing. I go for the butter now. Drop in it. So instead of simmer down, just have 1 simmer down to go. See it? 1/4 stick of butter. So them make butter now. One time you don't have to slice butter, you know. You don't have to slice butter again. You get it in the right way, you know, so you don't drop it in the pot.
Come slice.
Come slice already. So you just you don't have to do nothing like half stick. You just use general when you cook rice. So see there? Done. And nothing left on the paper again.
No
Clean.
more.
And paper, fire same time. So no littering.
Garbage disposed properly same time.
See people? Wow.
Rice I got full of flavor, man. Telling you from now. Scallion, rosemary, piece of pepper, half stick of butter. Check in back in our how much minutes?
We don't check. Cash we deal it. We don't do no check. Cash we deal it. If I have the cash, we give thanks. But cash is check, is bunks.
Alright, peeps, so stay tuned.
Alright. Yo, Aya, you saw Rasta fire blaze? I saw Blaze film fire in Melissa, you know? Same way. So all we have to do is give thanks to life with all here. See? Because it could be worse. Jack could be the worse than that. So look on the fire. Without him, we couldn't hear cooking a little pot outside now, you know? So we have to give God thanks and praise to each other, your brothers and sisters. One love.
That is it.
That we say.
So all go on our spot now, Rasta.
Up and running coming in.
It come together.
You see, brother?
Wow.
So it's looking. Don't worry yourself, the food is soon be near. Soon be near. Alright, when you get it, you gotta lick off your tongue.
I don't understand. That's the
Right,
but.
then the food are going to make you lick off your tongue. The tongue are going to your mouth and see you like this. You see, you don't know that.
Yo, babes, stay tuned.
We say, you know, babe, but we say that to the you. Nothing wrong with that, you know. No more heap of fire.
Alright, so I got smoky and nice.
No more heap of fire. Simmer down.
I said, turn on the stove.
Turn on the flames of the blazer. Flames of the blazer turn down. You know, and the rice is simmer down properly.
Yeah.
And that's we can get to eat it properly.
The more the people them so are going to.
Then the people them go see I can see the fire simmer down on the goat over here. So look, can I see there?
They say goat a warm up.
Look at the goat. Well, proper. Proper.
Right, babes.
Just I make this get a little more heat. And then we go across and share up the thing.
They say that's a warm up but a goat.
This goat. Rami. I'm around like, meh! No, we don't eat vegetable here. So strictly no vegetable in this today.
Different type of greens.
This is different type of ingredients. This is meat ingredient. No green grass. Right? This is...
Or something where he eat green grass.
Who told the brother? Who told the brother that's what something heat green grass? That is a man.
Wow, babes.
Wow, then come on, watch me coming up. See me? Come on, come on. I'm coming up with the goat. One will say the man will eat all the grass. See? The green grass I'm eating. I Rastafari coming up with it now. Put it right here. Just like that. You want to see right now? See him there? Oh my God. That is delicious.
Tiger,
Yo,
you wake up.
Belly full today. Jump up.
That is it.
Food and,
That is it, Tiger.
okay. Ready.
Oh, go on now.
Guys, I don't know where the Rasta going today now. If it makes sense, I have to dump this and send him back to the greens. Rice look fiddly. Look ready.
Let me look to level.
Look ready, yes?
Look ready.
Rich in butter.
Watch it.
And
I Rasta
season.
man cook this in and I leave this to squidly. If you go out, man, share.
Fiddly.
Chama, I deal with the sharing I know.
Yeah?
Me stand one side.
I'm nervous.
Looking what's going on. Don't watch the scallion in the rice, you know. That is good
Nah,
for
man,
you.
that good,
And
man.
the spice of the rice them.
Yes,
But that I'm a concern.
Yeah, that
The
is-
rice more seasoned than the goat.
What you said, the boat more season on the rice. You wait till you see it.
Wait till you taste
Wait till
it.
you taste it. Tasting is believing. Not
Tasting.
seeing, you know.
Yes, yes,
Seeing
tasting is believing.
and not looking. But when you taste it, you say, yes,
Believe,
that is it.
Yeah, guys, when I smell a little smokiness in the rice, so you know that I got a little flavor in it. As the Shamara said, look, season on the
on
goat.
the video. We are one side. You see the running part that way, man, I show the food that you see what I want. I want to tell
Hot,
you.
guys.
You mean, I 4 hours there today.
Yeah, man.
You know, enough today, so we have to just deal with it as what I deal with. 4 of us?
Vegetarian rice, you know?
No, that
Yes,
is not
vegetarian.
Wait, call it, Tiger?
And pepper.
What you call it?
Vegetarian rice.
It's not vegetarian rice.
Scallion pepper. Onion then I curry goat already.
Yeah, this is Rasta famous vegetarian rice.
Vegetarian
As you hear,
rice.
people, you heard
Well
it here
seasoned.
first.
Yeah, man. Nice. Rasta vegetarian rice?
No? Normal rice.
Rasta, but you know, not even a bun in the rice,
I'm
but
tell
look
you.
how I go on fiddly.
Jeez, watch him,
A
man.
bun.
When I
What's
say
your
for cook
peeps?
rice, man. Rice not for bun. We make rice cook rice.
And a coal fire and cook this.
It's coal fire.
No.
A wood fire.
Wood fire.
Straight wood fire.
There has to be a better way to say that.
I want
story,
to give a
but
better way to say that. The wild wood fire in the west.
Log
say wood
fire,
again,
log
man.
fire.
Wood fire.
Alright.
We use. See them there? All of them there are wood.
Let's agree to disagree.
Yeah. Wood fire.
Alright.
That make the rice nice.
Alright.
Alright.
Everything but this now, guys.
We're good to go.
You feel a raindrop there already, man?
Where there?
Rain drop.
No rain drop.
No, one just drop on my face, man. Look.
You know wet
Good.
up. Me
Alright,
see
look
it,
how
one.
I'm going now fit.
We now wet up.
God hold up him, man,
Yeah,
right
good,
until we reach in.
Yeah, cause rain there right now, guys.
Rain there, man.
Yeah. If your father always be the blessed. Because look at them. He said,
Bless you, bless you. Fun away them there.
Fun away.
As we done father, where father show say, I'm blessing God.
One
Do what do in
down,
I
nice.
play. More
One
blessing.
down.
Burn all Eden them. And can't more blessing for it.
Rasta cook the goat, you know, guys.
Every time.
I think a vegetable alone, Rasta cook. Oh.
That them delay.
Goat cooking, Rasta this.
Oh God, man. May cooking Rasta. Alright, peoples. Rain is up on us now. Right as we finish. Jah let us some blessings from our way.
This is the May cooking. You think?
Yeah, guys, this is it.
You cut this.
Yeah.
And then you come back and cook.
Moment of truth
This is the end result.
of the vegetarian rice
see
and
the food
the
taste, you know.
curry goat.
Yeah, man, guys. So just
Wonderful food.
check in, but me I go now honest review upon it. Yeah, man.
Alright, stay tuned.
Yeah, guys, look at the Rasta. We go take off the locks. Cause I'm go and go to the goat. Yeah, man, and start cook beer meat and love vegetable. Go on, good peeps. Yeah, man, rice really and nice.
Oh God.
And all the goat full of flavor. Yeah, guys, I'm go on. Tender and nice, man.
That is it. You hear that, Rasta?
Every time.
Muscle. Oh, go on.
Not gonna lie. Me give food 9 out of 10. Tastes good as well.
That go on good.
Yeah, the greens are my night toss, you know it go.
10 out of 10.
Yeah man, nice. Good food.
Nice vegetable rice.
Yeah man, nice.
Or what you call it?
Vegetarian rice.
Okay. 9 out of 10.
9 bro.
Alright.
What me say?
Solid nine.
A Rasta said 10 pound 10. Straight. Cause look here. No bun knife pot and it's like this.
Oh,
Look here.
God, man.
Look on the pot. You see?
No bun inside, no bun
Bun
outside.
And a wood fire. See that? Wood fire, you know? And look there. Just barely
Big up yourself, man.
I'm telling you, right? So we deal with it. You say, no, they doubt me. So I can't cook goat. And one I know I say, the goat bad. So me I go and work my own. So all I have
Rasta.
to do.
Nobody eat none of a Rasta.
I joke here again. Boy, I eat the whole light down, make you no watch me.
So fiddly, what go on feed?
What do you mean?
No, nah, lie, man. Rasta surprising. You go and good today.
Yeah.
Goat tender and nice. As the rice, well shelly too.
Yeah.
As you can see in my pot, not even a bun in it, man. You go on good, man. Me a 10 out of 10 to you, man. You go on good.
Yeah, so big up Martel Adventure TV. You know me there. I love brand. Big up. Yeah. So today we just consume some food. Some nice, so you call it now. Goat. So curry goat tastes nice. Rice. It was a fair day. Food cook. You know we have a little blessing rain a fall. Yeah, so we're there munch up. So you know think of big up Martel Adventure TV. Like, subscribe. Yeah, and turn on post notifications so you can get more videos on post. So boom, big up.